What is this? Just go. Go. Go and report yourself to the VP. Now, let me warn all of you. If I catch any one of you cheating in my class again, I'll personally deal with you. Lazy drones. Go back to your work.
Ngozi, I had an urgent call from Daddy and I had to go. Sorry.
Ngozi.
Mama traveled. Can I crash here for the night, please?
So now you're afraid to sleep alone?
Just shut up and let me in.
When will you stop behaving like this? Or are you pregnant again?
I wish I was. Please, Janet. I know it's strange, but I don't want to talk about it now. All I want right now is a bed and your company. So please don't push it.
Okay. You will cook. And you will pay squatters' dues.
For what?
Why won't you oversleep when you gisted all night? Get up, Joe.
Ngozi. We are coppers. Government property. No one will sack us.
Spare the rod,
spoil the child.
I said spare the rod,
spoil the child.
Yes, if you spare the rod, you spoil the child. So who is the first to come? Come forward. Come forward. Dishonesty. In my school, you think I am a young teacher. I have been teaching before.
Sorry, sir.
Morning.
I just came to see Ngozi.
Ngozi.
Thank you.
Now, I know what I am going to do for you.
Janet, I told you not to wear heels. I don't know who is looking at you in this village.
It's easy for you to say. You have a husband.
Let's go over there and fix your shoes. Remove it. Oh, we're so late now. VP will kill us today.
3 months more and it's all over.
Shut up. Good morning.
Good morning. Did you see your husband?
Did I see who?
You mean you didn't see him?
See who?
Your husband.
I don't think it is serious. But you can close early to go to Wasani, at least to be sure.
Thank you, sir.
Not one. No one could tell me where you were.
Please believe me. I'm your wife. Why would you believe rumors against my word? I wasn't even expecting you.
Expecting me? What a cheek. I can visit my wife anytime I choose.
I'm sorry, but honestly, I was with Janet. God is my witness. I've never been unfaithful to you.
Make us some dinner.
What if it is put there for him to die?
No, Yinka, I'm tired. No. Not tonight, please.
We live in an evil, angry world, my daughter.
Ngozi Wogu.
Dele! Hi!
Ngozi, where have you been? And how long has it been now? 3 years? Since we graduated. And then, what are you doing here?
Same old Dele Ibrahim. So many questions at the same time. Which do I answer first?
Anyone? Allah, you look good.
Flattery will still get you nowhere. I'm very married now.
I'm heartbroken. What a lucky man. Where is he?
Here in Wasimi. I'm actually on my way back to my station, Oleku.
You are still serving?
Having a baby, the marriage, it slowed things down a bit.
A baby already? Allah. Ngozi, after all my toasting, you go grieve for the first toaster after graduation.
And he's Yoruba too. I'm Ngozi Ajiboye now.
Harry, Ngozi, how could you do that to me?
I have
have to go now. Where are you now?
At Oshogbo. I have relatives in Oleyo.
Okay.
Maybe I'll pay you a visit sometime.
The service ends in a couple of months.
Anyway, we'll see.
Maybe.
Take care.